So good morning all. Today I'm going to show a billing software that is we have named a comedy name that is SVDM General Stores. So before starting, you have to put customer details, that is customer name, phone number. Bill number is not required yet. And so I wrote a customer name and phone number. So I want one bath soap, one face cream, one kg of rice, 1 kg of rice, and one I want one fruity or Coca-Cola. I will take anyone. So now I will calculate total. So this number is calculated. So you got the bill menu, you got the total tax price and all that. So after that, now we will calculate the see in bill area, bill number, customer name, phone number, product quantity along with the price. And also you can see the different taxes and total bill also there. Now you can, if you want, you can save the bill also. Just click on the save button. You will get a pop-up. Do you want to save the bill? If you, it's your decision totally. So I will click yes. I get a random bill number. So I will remember my bill number, that is 7577. So I'll click OK. So now if I want, I will clear the data. So I clear the data. Now I will search my bill. So that I will search my bill. So my bill number was 7577. I click on search button. So I got that bill again here. So I got bill here. This was saved actually in our file which we have made in backend. Now it's the end of the program, and now I will exit. Thank you. So here I was talking about the backend. So here was the program, and where there is the bill. Here we have saved all the bills which we have generated here for just practicing it, the software. Now you can see your bill. I have clicked on it. The bill. You can see the bill. Here we have got the same thing which was there in bill area. If you want, you can print also the bill, or you want to mail or do something, you can take it from here. So that's all. So hello everyone. Here comes the coding part. So first we have imported Tkinter. Then we have imported maths for calculation, random to generate random bill number, OS for file handling. Then we imported message box from Tkinter module. Then we have taken a class that is bill app. Now we have defined init function, and we have method. Basically we have defined a method to a class. Now down we have added the properties of the class using the argument that is self.root. Then we have given the geometry of the frame window. Now we have given the billing software as a title. We have first only written the BG color so that reduce the typing part of our later on coding. So now we have taken int var, that is we have taken all the products value initially, that is integer, that is 0. Now we have taken string var to the rest, the coding part, cosmetic price and all. Now we have done the coding for the bill number to generate random bill number. Here is the coding. We have converted it into a string format. Now here comes the customer detail frame, basically which was there, where we was asking about the customer details. Now we have added first frame in which we have taken BD, relief, text, font, FG, VG and all, and we have placed it. Now we have taken the second label entry for all. Now comes the cosmetic frame, similarly for grocery frame, then similarly for cold drink frame. Now we have comes the bill area part. Here we have done the basically coding for the bill area part. Here we have added extra, that is scroll bar, vertical scroll bar, to make it more to look better. Now this was the bill menu with coding is done here. That is the total cosmetic price, for total grocery price, for total cold drink price, for cosmetic tax, grocery tax, cold drink tax. Now comes the button part. Here we have added different buttons, that is total button, generate bill, clear, exit button, and we have done the coding for the internal, that is product part. We have multiplied each product with its price of a particular one product. That is for the soap, we have multiplied it with the 40. Then we have done the face cream with 120, and similarly for others. Then we have added for the total cosmetic to generate the total cosmetic price. We have added them all, the upper one, to generate this was the basically cosmetic price. We have added this all here in float format because it can be in decimal also. Then we have taken the cosmetic price here. We have made it in the string format to look better. Now we have to remove the tags of it. And now we have done same coding for the other two frame also. Now comes the welcome bill, that is self area, means bill area. bill area we have done editing, so it should look nice also before starting. We have added bill number, and we have done the customer what will he will get the bill number. It will be bill number is basically random, which will be get from the system only. Then we have entered the customer name, which you have put it will come, then phone number, and to look we have done this equal one, and the product name and all. Similarly for that, that comes the bill area part. In bill area part, we have taken the sales.c name, and we have basically there we have done the error and confirmation part. We have done for the first, if you have not entered the customer details, then you will get the error that the customer details are merged, and if you have not entered any product, then you will get no product, you have not purchased the product. And for the bill area part, this is the basically coding has been done. Here's the coding, you can see it properly. Now comes the save bill area. Then if you have generated the bill successfully, then you will get you can save the bill from a screen pop-up that do you want to save the bill. If you click yes, then your bill will be saved at the backend. If you say no, then it will be not saved. And finally comes the exit part. Exit part is later. First we will look at the clear part. So we have done here for the clear button also coding same. Here comes the exit part. So you can exit with the pop-up message. Do you want to exit? If you tell yes, then you will be exited from the software. Now here's the end of the coding part.